Hello guys, welcome back to WLinks Technologies guys. Today I got you a very good product that is fast charger, quick super fast charge. It is 66 watt supercharge USB adapter. 66 watt supercharge. 50 pieces per box and 300 pieces per carton. WLinks Technologies guys. This is our website, WhatsApp and WeChat QR code. If anyone is interested, do let us know guys. We are manufacturing many kinds of chargers, laptop chargers, and these are all our samples. We deal in many kinds of chargers. We make MacBook chargers, mobile chargers, and this is our raw material store. This is one customer's order we need to ship tonight, and this is our final testing phase before we ship. We test each and every single item here before we pack and before we ship. And let me just show you our production line guys. So this is our production line. We do production here. These are our MacBook chargers are under process. It's testing phase here, and this is where we are manufacturing our chargers. This is the pressing machine, and let me just show you to another testing phase. This is another testing phase here. So guys, after they are all tested, then we put them in the packaging and pack them, ship them out. It is now ready to ship to UK. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned with us. This is our raw material. We got ready PCBs. These are all ready orders to be made, and this is our production line. One production line is upstairs. We are making cables in the upstairs production line. Alright guys, thank you. Stay tuned. Welcome to WLinks Technologies. For any future inquiries, thank you. Goodbye.